Hello guys, and welcome to my tutorial on how you can create a simple follow IE controller. So let's create an IE controller, um, rename it to follow controller, follower maybe, follower controller, and double click it. Um, First of all, we create an idle state. And add an action find closest. Here we need to specify the tag. This will be in our case player, so we will search for the player and store it into the player parameter, the global one. Yeah, we will also add well, I will use the Rudkin slave animator controller, and I will set the speed of the controller in the idle state to 0. So I'm choosing animator in new action and set float, and I'm setting the speed to 0. Those are the default settings, so they are pretty good. So damp time of 0.15 is okay. Then let's create a follow state and transition from idle into follow. Here we want to follow our target player, and speed, I will raise it a little bit to 3.3. In the follow state, I'm going to set the speed to 2. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm choosing the idle state and add a new condition. So first of all, I'm going to add a null condition. So this will check if our action find closes has found the target and stored it in the global parameter. So if our target is not null, we will transition to follow state. I want also to add a distance condition. So if the distance of our target is greater than 2.5, I'm going to transition from idle into the follow state. Then I want to transition from follow into idle state if the distance is less than 2.5. Yeah, that should be it. Our agent should follow our target. So let's choose our agent and add our currently created controller to the IE runtime controller. We can just drag and drop it, or we can select it from here, from the select menu. Oops. Okay. Let's close this window and take a look. Okay, our agent is following the player, and if the distance is greater than 2.5, it follows him, and if the distance is less than 2.5, it's in the idle state. Idles. Okay, you can also extend this controller by maybe add a lookout action in the idle state. So let's choose lookout. Who should look at it's the owner, and he should look at our target, and he should ignore the epsilon axis. Yeah. Let's take a look. Now if we move around the enemy, he always looks at the target, so at us. Okay. In the next tutorial we are going to extend this A controller and let the enemy attack the player. See you.